Madam Chair. I come to you today.
So you have seen people do it, and you want to make your voice heard. But how do you go about speaking at a school board meeting? First, when is the next meeting? School board meetings are held on the second and fourth Tuesday of the month. You can go to the Leon County Schools website, which will show you the date of the next school board meeting. You may also pull up the school board meeting agenda. The meetings are held at the Aquilina Howell Building at 6 p.m. Arrive at least 15 minutes early to fill out the speaker appearance form. This form will be found at the table by the door upon entering the school board meeting room. Fill out the form and give it to the person at the table, who will then assess where you fit into the agenda. Be sure your topic is appropriate to the board you are speaking before. You will start by stating your name for the record. Public comments are limited to 3 minutes per person. Make sure you pre-plan your comments so you will be most effective in the given time. This is not a time for questions and answers. School board members will not engage in dialogue with speakers. Comments requiring investigation will be referred to the superintendent for consideration and later response. Your case is most effective when addressed to specific agenda items or matters of general concern. Questions or problems can usually be addressed by district staff. A problem involving an individual or specific incident is best handled through administrative channels. The school board welcomes you to its meetings. Your interest will help the board make decisions that reflect the needs and desires of your community. If you need help resolving an issue or obtaining more information, please call the school board secretary at the number below. You will find links to this and additional information in the description field. We look forward to hearing from you.